Last time he was ना रास्ते का दादा मोसागर
अच्छा आओ देखो खाला वडी जे न ते आओ
ने सारा वडी जो है वहाँ पाशा और क्या
चाचा पाशा ते लाई तेरी खाला वडी का तेरी देती है
ना हाँ कितने बेटी खाला वडी टाइट फर्स्ट
खाला वडी जी देती खाला वडी का पेरी चाचा हलीम खां पोइ यकदम चाचा जावी टे डेथ्स अॻियां पोयां थियूं आहिनि चाचा जावी पहिरीं डेथ थी पोइ चाचा हलीम जी पोइ खाला वडी जी लास्ट हिन टिनि जी गॾु थी हुई
पेव कयो था न मज़े वारो पेव ने फोन कयो था
हिते बोलना हूंदा
न
अची ना कुछ साल में इतनी स्पीड में वजन
सिंध में बोलना कोन ईंदा
it's too hot for them but you never know where border is in Sri Lanka that's like Karachi weather
Baba, is Islamabad the only one that has a mountain?
न सिंध में भी आहिनि
okay, let's
सिंध में जेके
Make the
माउंटेन्स आहिनि
video.
दे आर
I should,
टू what you call it
Big.
too hot area दादू
the
वही
way the monkey population is exploding in the Islamabad and Mari area in years there's a possibility that these monkeys will come down to this side, you know.
Soon the monkeys
And
then will extinct.
The issue with that is then of course you have to shoot them because you don't want them to eat your food like sugarcane, cotton, wheat,
शुगर केन
corn.
तबाह करे छॾे
If they attack mangoes and banana fields,
Hey, not my bananas.
you know, they love to eat that kind of stuff.
They love banana the most.
Yeah, they'll eat your dates. There'll be no more dates. So if situation arises, then you have to shoot them. Yeah, of course.
Like a fox.
Like we shoot pigs. Because pigs, they go on the sugar cane and they destroy sugar cane. Now they think there's no sugar in Pakistan. Look on both sides. Plenty of sugar cane. Where's the shortage?
there's no shortage
All
of
Punjab, all Sindh, full sugar cane. Look at that. Sugar cane. All sugar cane.
sugar. There's no shortage of sugar cane you like छो इन्हनि घुराई है what comes in their mind they have imported sugar from outside
You can even make sugar from dates for trying.
हाणे हिन मां कीअं पास थियासीं
Alright, don't worry. You may hold it straight. If it, one more little video.
It's 3 minutes long.
Oh, this truck is
Sakti
another one coming. Look at the dates. Kajur.
Now the cheer, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, we all dates. Almost.
Oh, cows are crossing.
Oh, cows are crossing the road.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, that's enough.
Yeah.